Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you Tesla analysis. So the question is Tesla a buy now? We are going to look at from a weekly perspective as a beginning. Previously on this weekly chart, the price completed this big harmonic pattern and it was a perfect completion near to the D point where this pattern was completed. And later we may see a bearish movement that occurred. If we are going to measure from bottom to top, we can see that the price already stopped here. This is a normal second target for the harmonic patterns, the 618. And usually also the swing target, let's say, for this bigger movement that we have here. Another normal target is 3.82, and this is where the price is already taking a pause. So overall it stopped near to the second zone. So let's see what is happening near to this part. If we are going to look at this in a different perspective, we may see also another broadening pattern that is taking shape. Here we have it in this way. I'm going to delete the harmonic pattern that we have before. And given that the price is already in a strong zone, we have the two support zones from below. The first one can be clearly found near to 101.8, and the second one is in this area here, 138 and something here. And the chances are that the price can develop in this way. So we have W, X, Y, X, Z. This is a bigger picture that the price is already may already expand how I'm looking at this picture. For the moment, we have to be careful. The chances are that the price can also move down near to this zone. So we may look at for a possible reversal zone between 248 and 175. However, given that the price already is taking a pause, I think that the chances are higher that we may see the bullish movement to begin from the current zone, as long as the price didn't make a new low. However, the possibility remains that it can reverse in this area here. So all of this area can become a possible reversal zone. The reversal zone may happen near to, this is the reversal zone, 178 to 119, but it was tested 2 times already. It can be tested again. So it can happen to rise from the first zone, or probably it can test the entire zone and later it may rise. However, I think that this is done for the moment. If we are going to break this down on a lower time frame for Tesla, we don't have anything significant here. We may see this type of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can be in a 5th wave that was completed, or probably it may extend a bit more. This is the tricky part at this moment, and we can't confirm the opposite. However, if we can see on a lower perspective, we can observe also another bullish harmonic pattern. So this is another one that is a small one on the 4-hour. And given that the price already reacted in this zone, I see the chances that probably the price was already completed the bearish wave near to the reversal zone that we have. And the chances are that we can see the bullish movement from this area here. So this is what I'm looking at, and it makes more sense for the bullish movement to begin from this zone. Another bigger confirmation will happen once the price will break this area here, that is also the top of the structure. It will be a significant breakout if that is going to happen. So once the price breaks 292, it should continue with a bigger bullish wave. So the chances are that it can continue more. If this is not going to happen, so if the price will face resistance near to 292, exists also the possibility that we can be in a bigger bearish, bullish or correction before the price moves up. However, I think that many market participants are already focused on Tesla because it's too cheap overall, and the chances are that once it breaks 292, the bullish wave can begin. So it can be considered also completed in this zone here, and it can continue with bullish movement. The bigger picture that we are looking at is this picture, 292 breakout and a possible bullish continuation movement from this area. For the target that we may look at, it depends from the trading style. I would like to focus on the structure zones as they are working very well with Tesla. This is a short-term target, let's say, is very small target. Another one near to the structure zone, 361. Another one in this area here. Look at the areas, how interesting they are, and the top of the structure that corresponds also to the extension of the Z wave. So the Z wave completion, that can be the retest of the top, or probably it can break through the top as well. Given that these targets are too close with each other, probably we can remove this one, and this can be the final targets. So let's see how it looks like on a higher time frame. On weekly time frame, that is also the bigger picture that we are looking at. This is the final scenario that we are looking at for Tesla, and the chances are that we can see the development of the Z wave. So let's see how Tesla will unfold during the coming days, but it looks like a perfect trading scenario in my opinion. You can look at only for the entry price, which can be near to the entry zone, or probably you can buy with two parts, one at the market price and one near to 219 or lower. So it can be divided with parts here, how you can manage the long positions. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. That's all for Tesla. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.